Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make a secret container storage in which you can store things. Look, okay, I'll put this key in here. So let's get started. First, subscribe to my channel and like this video. Okay, the things you need are some scissors, a tape, the two necks of two bottle caps. Look, there should be some plastic with it over here, and of course a glue gun. Okay, so first of all we need these two caps, and I'll put the glue gun on one of them and join them together. So wait for me. Okay, now I've joined them with glue. Okay, to make them more stronger and waterproof, I will put this tape on it. You can put any tape, but I would put this white tape to make it waterproof. Okay, just open. I'm just trying to open the tape. Wait. Now as you can see, I have put the tape in here, and remember not to put the tape on the cap, just till the edges. Don't put it on the cap or the cap won't open. And now if you open it, you find a space inside it. You could put anything inside it, like I made this before. Look, I will take this key and put it inside this one, the new one. Look, and this is how you make a secret storage container out of bottle caps. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment and share.